Hi, this is Nick. I wanted to make a short video discussing what happens when you include or exclude the median when finding your quartiles. So here's a small data set. There are only 5 numbers in it, and I think we can see that the middle number is 11. And when we type this into Excel, equals median, and we give it this, it will return 11. See, there it is. It's the middle number. But when we're calculating quartiles, we actually have two different options. We can include the mean, or we can include the median or exclude the median when finding our quartiles. And let's look at what the difference is and then discuss what's happening. So here's my quartile excluding the median. Here's my data. I want the first quartile, so I do comma 1. Hit enter. I get the number 8. So what's happened here is we are saying this is the middle number of all the numbers that are left, to the left of the middle number, not including the middle number, so not including 11. What is the middle number of those? So the middle number between 7 and 9 is 8. So our quartile 1, excluding the median, is 8. If we include the median, and we give it our data set, so now it's saying, when we were finding the quartile, what is the middle number of the left-hand side, including the median, including the number 11? So the middle number between 7, 9, and 11 is the number 9. So these 3 numbers, the middle number is the number 9. If we exclude the median, we get these two. What is the middle number between 7 and 9? It's not even in our data set. It is the number 8. Neither one of these ways is incorrect. You can find quartiles of a small data set in the same way. For a larger data set, it really won't matter how you do it. But when you're doing the homework problems and you have a small data set, you will want to be excluding the median. That is just how your homework problems are set up. So keep that in mind.